What's up guys, welcome back to RB30det Status, chilling here with your boy Status, and we're back with another update on the RB30, the Dirty 30. We're here back at the OG shop, CFT shop, waiting on a little bit of fabrication for my exhaust manifold and my downpipe. But enough about talking about that, let's check out what we're actually doing now and what we actually have done already. We got everything in that you saw in the last update video. Finally, we got the hood slightly on, a little bit of modifications done, and most of our intercooler piping is done. Alright, ooh. So you guys can kind of see the paint job a little bit more in the sun. Some people like it, some people love it, some people hate it. I actually like it, I'm not complaining. I have no complaints on it. So, those of you who don't like it...
You mean the paint job on the valve covers?
Huh?
You mean the paint job on the valve covers?
No, I'm talking about my actual... Look, it actually looks nice now, look at that. You can see it in the sun. Right? It looks baller, I like it. In the sun it actually pops. When it's in the darkness and all that shadow covering it, you can't really... You can't see the shine.
Yeah, it looks a little better.
Look at that. That looks pretty baller, bro.
Interesting.
Huh? Anyway, all right, guys. So as you can see, we got the radiator on. This is gonna be a temporary radiator just to get the car started. I do have another radiator that I don't know if I showed you guys. It's a Griffin radiator. It's for a tucked radiator setup, and it's just gonna be it's a 3-core radiator. So it's probably going to be a slight upgrade compared to this one, and it's just going to be a little bit more compact and out of the way. So anyway, we're running this for now because we know this is a proven radiator. It's great condition, keeps the car cool. I had it on the 25 for a year, actually, only a year, but it does the job. So we put basically the whole setup that I used to have on the RB25 right here on the RB2630. We got the same Treadstone intercooler, all the same intercooler piping, which is only temporary for now. We will be upgrading the intercooler as well as the intercooler piping. We're going to go with probably 3-inch on one side and 3.5 on the other side, and we're also going to be going with a 4-inch downpipe. So still a lot of things that need to get done here, just not as much that you need to be done. So we got our throttle bodies all on, our map sensor is finally hooked up. I did redo the way I did the injectors because I did not want the injector clips or the injector wires to be showing. Very few more things that we got left on here. Literally everything is connected. With the intercoolers, like I said, mocked up. The fuel line, the fuel system is the last thing we have to do, and that I already have my fuel pressure regulator, which is my Aerial Motive fuel pressure regulator. So I've had this for quite some time, never used it. It's basically brand new, and it's just been sitting around collecting dust. So super excited to finally use it. We are most likely going to attach this thing directly to the fuel rail right here. So your fuel pressure, it'll be easy for the return and everything, and it's just an idea at this point. I might mount it here. I see a lot of people mounting it here. I saw Calvin Malley mount it here in the back. I'm still trying to figure out how he's going to do it. I'll route it up somehow. But basically, those are the small things that we have left. I'm definitely trying my best to make it to the next drift event, but I highly doubt I will. And a lot of my friends are going to be out there driving. A lot of cool people. It's an awesome event. Plenty of drifters, plenty of performance cars, and just a really good community to hang out in.
We'll also be at Simply Clean, but I don't know if the video will be out before then.
We are definitely going to be at Simply Clean in the next few days.
If I'm not drifting, I'll be at Simply Clean.
We're going to Simply Clean no matter.
Because my car's running.
We're going to Simply Clean. Screw that. We're going to make it. Yeah, so I'll see you guys out there. This is going to be a really short video, just a small update video. And I'm going to go get the rest of the material to finish the fuel lines, get everything done. All right, we got our McKinney mounts. These are the semi-solid polyurethane mounts. I also have a pair or a set of the solid aluminum mounts on the way here. So as soon as those are done, we're going to show you those. We might run them, might not. I do street the car a lot, so I'm up in the air whether or not I'm gonna put those solid engine mounts in. But that's probably gonna be it for today. You know, still got a bit of work left, but she will definitely be running extremely soon, guys. I want to say thank you for all the support. One more thing I want to show you guys real quick is, seeing as this thing is an inch taller, you can really see how tall the motor is from the radiator. See, traditionally the RB26 or RB25, the CAS will be covered about halfway down. So you can see how much indifference the height is in comparison to an RB30-26 versus the average RB25, RB20, or RB26. You cut some material off the hood already, and then we're most likely gonna do hood spacers and a hood scoop. We might be able to get away with just the rear spacers, right? Yeah. Well, we're definitely gonna go with
but
the
it probably
scoop.
look cooler with the hood scoop.
You can kind of see where it's been scraping right here. Same
yeah,
like
I saw this on Kevin Lawrence's video that it touches there, and he cut a lot out of his hood with the spacers.
Yeah, me and K-Law, we're like brothers. We're like brothers, you know what I mean?
He lays down the law, bro.
You know what I mean?
He lays down the RB law.
He might be the law, but I'm the rebel. Alright, I'm probably gonna edit that one out. Alright, but look, you can kind of see where I drew this line right here. This is actually where the indentation, where the motor actually sits right up on here and pushes the motor up. I already
So this is material that we cut?
Yeah, it's sloppy, guys. It's not cleaned up yet.
That's
it was just a quick
mock-up, yeah.
Yeah, this was a mock-up just to see where everything was. So obviously I'm gonna clean all this up, and that's how much material I actually have to cut out, and it's still not enough material. So what's gonna end up happening is we're gonna go with a D-Max hood vent, and we're gonna mock it up, cut the area out since it should fit underneath the D-Max area, which is I think around like that, a little square around that area. And we're gonna have that molded in. Originally, I'm not a big fan of hood vents and all that because I like my car to stay more of a sleek design. It might be a little bit aggressive to some people, but I stayed with that sleek body style. So adding the vents is gonna make it a lot more aggressive, which is something I'm not exactly sure I want. But at this point with the RB30, it's a necessity. And on top of that, it's RB with a hood vent. It's gonna help with huge. It's gonna help huge. Okay, it's gonna be huge for cooling. So that's what we're gonna do. Other than that, we're gonna call that an end to the video today. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to post in the comments. You know what I mean? Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys are looking forward to seeing and what kind of videos you guys like to see out of my channel. So we have a lot of updates coming, and we have our new apparel line that's about to drop, which you'll see in the next video. But other than that, I'll catch you later. Thanks for tuning into RB30det Status, chilling with your boy Status, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
Rollin', 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 rollin'. Island boys, we the chosen. Double cup, mixing potion with the Sprite, yeah. This shit is for life, I'm good for the night, yeah. Zombie, been walking with my eyes closed. Zombie, hit the plug on the iPhone. Check the time, cause I'm lost between the time zones now. Medusa with the snake eyes when the dice roll now. Ain't no shade when the lights go.